Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, and make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, guys, before that, make sure you follow us on Telegram because I'll be putting the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. One of the reasons why we will be, talking a lot of things on this our Telegram channel is that we might not be able to give a consistent update on this channel, but we will be giving that update on the Telegram channel. So if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to the Telegram channel. Go to the comment section, click on the link and follow us on Telegram so you get constant updates from us. Now let's see what we will be expecting this week on gold. So if you take a look at what gold is literally doing, you can clearly see that within this level, gold is literally ranging. What I'm seeing is that gold is going to break below this level. That is what I see on gold. Gold is likely to break below it. But now the level for gold to break it, is it now? Currently, I'm not seeing it because right now it looks like gold is going to push up. I'm going to explain why. First of all, we can see that there is a rejection here, which we can call as a resistance. Then we can see there's a rejection here, support. This is another rejection, which is our support level. Then there is kind of like a rejection here, which came to our resistance, and here comes the what? Support, right? We can take a look at this to be a false breakout. If you want to say this should be seen as a false breakout, the market eventually came to this our what again? Resistance level. When it came to this our resistance level, what next? It has dropped to this our support level. Now that it has come to this our support level, the next movement we should be expecting is a movement to this our resistance level. So market is currently at 2326. So the next movement is to this level, which is around 2423. That is our target. Now, previously I said that market will be breaking here. Is it now? Definitely not. Yes, market is going to break this support level, but it is not. For this week, first of all, let's see it come to this resistance level. Probably once it comes to this resistance level, then it might now drop and break this support level and continue to drop. But for now, gold is going to be pushing up. So let's see it come to this resistance. Now, if there's going to be any changes in this our prediction, if there's going to be any changes on this prediction, I'm going to give you guys an update, and that update will be on the Telegram channel. So you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So make sure you follow us so you can stay updated on what we'll be posting on this our analysis.